Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to V-Best Kitchen, and I believe you're all doing great. Today I want to share with you how to make this simple and delicious Ghanaian rock buns using only few ingredients, and I hope you like it. Kindly stay tuned to the end as always and be inspired. To support your girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Also, help me recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Lovelies, without wasting my time, let's dive right into the video. In a bowl, I'm adding my all-purpose or plain flour. Next, I'll add my sugar, okay? And then next, I'll add my nutmeg powder for flavor and baking powder for fluffiness. I'm mixing everything together until well combined. And I'll come in with my wet ingredients. Here I've got my evaporated milk. Okay, next I've got my fresh whole milk. And lastly, vanilla extract for more flavor. I'll then go ahead and mix everything together until a dough is formed. Yeah, because of the texture I'm looking for, I'll still be adding some of the milk. And lovelies, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. So don't forget to check it out, okay? So I'll keep on mixing and adding the milk until I get the consistency I'm looking for, okay? At this point, to me, I would say the texture is good, but if you want it softer than this, then add more water or milk, okay? So in a tray, I'm adding butter, or you can add any cooking oil of your choice. Greasing the tray with any cooking oil or butter will help with the easy removal of the rock buns when ready, okay? Lovelies, if it's your first time ever seeing my video, kindly join this amazing family to enjoy more of my videos, okay? By clicking on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. And I'm so sure you will love it here. So we are all done and into the oven. They go. Few minutes later, we are back and our simple and delicious Ghanaian rock buns are all ready, and they are so good that you would want to eat more and more. It can be eaten as breakfast or even snack. And yeah, it's one of our popular Ghanaian street snacks. So lovelies, I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. And to support your girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Ow, 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 this is so hot. Ooh, oh my, so delicious. Toodles, peace out.